Video is the second part of The Envious Neighbor. If you have not watched the first part, please do watch that and continue watching this. With a pine tree wood where it was buried. The old man, he felt that it is the dog itself. Even though it is a dream, he felt that it is the dog which came and it told him. So he just cut the tree and he made a mortar with it, and one day he put some rice in it and he started to ground, and it just split into pieces, and once the rice splits into pieces, it turned into a rich treasure like gold, silver pieces, and the old man was so happy that the dog, even after the death, is just helping him to survive. And after knowing that this mortar is giving gold and silver treasure, the old envious snake couple who is noticing all this, they just borrow the mortar, and when they did the same process like putting rice, and when they dished into pieces, it turns into filth, it turns into a rubbish. So in anger, again the old envious couple got anger, and they just broke the mortar and they just buried it. The poor dog again appeared in dream of the good old man, and he told him to sprinkle the ashes of the burnt mortar on withered tree. So the envious couple who buried the mortar, right? The mortar turned into ashes. Since it is a wood, it turned into ashes. So the dog suggests the good old man to take the ash and just throw into the withered tree. Withered tree na பட்டு மரம். அதில் வந்து இலையும் இருக்காது, பூவும் வராது, பட்டு போன மரம் சொல்லுவாங்க. So this dog just advised the old man to sprinkle those ashes in the withered tree, and the old man again did the same thing as the dog says, and when he sprinkled the ashes, the tree suddenly got full of leaves and flowers in it, and he was very shocked looking all those. He obeyed the dog as interested, bringing the dead trees to life. A certain prince utilized his power and gave him a rich reward. So once suddenly, just imagine a withered tree without any leaves, and to be considered as to be cutted, அது வந்து எதுக்குமே யூஸ் இல்லை, அதை கட் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ட்ரீ வந்து suddenly it got blossoms, everybody started talking about it, and they feel that this old man has some special magic with them. So this comes under to notice to the prince, and the prince gave him some reward, and he just utilized the old man's power like the ashes. But the envious neighbor, again he got jealous, and he borrowed the ashes from that old man, and when he just called everybody over around, and he said, even I can do the magic, and when he sprinkled those ashes, nothing comes up, the tree stands still, and there is no magic happen. And so the prince decided to punish him. When he just sprinkled the ashes, it got into the prince's eyes, and he was hurted with that. So he just decided to punish the envious old man, and when this good old man comes to know about the punishment, and he just requests the prince to leave him and to just forgive him. And when the envious neighbor just returned home, the old good man just gives some of the treasure to him and ask him to live a happy life, and that's how the story ended. So what is the moral of the story is, when we are good to others, when we think good, when we do good, and automatically that good thing will one day come to us, and we should never we should never see anything bad, or we should never get jealous of someone who is very good. We should be happy with what we are, and we should be happy with what we have. So once we started learning that technique, obviously our life will be a coloring, cherishing life. Everybody will look upon us, and they to start to live like us, and always think good and do good, and that is how you can achieve something in your life.